Hi children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Now today we are going to start the chapter division. We have all done it in class 2, right? We have done it in class 2. Now today we are going to revise the concept of division once again. Now children, we all know what is division. It is actually a repeated subtraction. All of you know this. I have taught you in class 2. Division is repeated subtraction. Right. Now, for example, let us take an example. For example, I am having 12 balloons with me. How many? 12 balloons are there with me. And I have to divide. Please listen very carefully. Okay, I am having 12 balloons with me and I have to divide them into groups of 3. There will be groups of 3 in each of there will be 3 balloons in each of the groups. Okay, total I am having 12 balloons and there will be 3 in each group. 3 balloons in each group. Now, how I have to find out how many number of groups are there. For example, from those 12 balloons, if I tie 3 balloons, I'm going to be left with how many? 12 minus 3 equal to 9 balloons. Now, from those 9 balloons, if I again tie 3, how many? 6. 9 minus 3, 6 balloons will be there. Again, if I tie 3, 6 minus 3, 3 balloons will be left. And at last, I'm going to tie those 3 balloons. I'm going to be left with how many number of balloons? 0 number of balloons. Right. So children, how many groups did I make? How many groups did I make? I have made 4 groups. Now, let me tell you that total, again, let me tell you again, once again, total there were 12 balloons and I have to divide them equally in groups of 3 and I have got 4 groups. How many groups? 4 groups. So, division is actually nothing but repeated subtraction. Right. Now, let us take an example. Right, let us take an example. Let me show you. Okay. Now children, see, we are going to read it as 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Now this is the division sign. I hope all of you know. This is the division sign or symbol, whatever you say. Okay. Now at first we are going to learn the terms of division. We are going to learn the terms of division. The number which is divided is called the dividend. The number which is divided means 12. Here the number is 12. The number which is divided is called the dividend. Now the number that divides the dividend is called the divisor. The number that divides the dividend. The number that divides the dividend. For example, here it is 3. The divisor is 3. The number that divides the dividend is called the divisor. Here the number 3 is the divisor. Next, the answer that we get on dividing the numbers. On dividing the numbers 12 and 3, the answer that we get is called the quotient. Here 4, the number 4 is the quotient here, this one. Number 4 is the quotient. Right. Next, the number that remains after dividing. The number that remains after dividing here, 0, is the remainder. It's called a remainder. Now children, remainder is always smaller than the divisor. You have to know that remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Here, which is the divisor? 3 is the divisor. So, remainder 0 will always be less than the divisor 3. Whatever it is. Here 0 and 3 are there. You just remember that the remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Now children, I hope you remember about the example which I have given at first about the 3 balloons. Total I was having 12 balloons. Right, total I was having 12 balloons and I have to divide them equally in groups of 3. So how many groups did I get? 4. So 4 will be your answer. Now to check whether you are correct or not. To check if you are correct or not, you can learn one thing. That is, dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. I don't know you people can remember this or not. If you remember this, dividend means what? 12. 12 will be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Just check if you are correct or not. Divisor 3, quotient 4, remainder 0. What did I say? Dividend equal, that means 12 equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 0 is 12. See, 12 is your dividend. 3 into 4 plus 0. Divisor into quotient plus remainder will give you the dividend. If you can remember this, it will help you. Okay? Just see it. Here 12 is the dividend. 3 is the divisor. 4 is the quotient. And 0 is the remainder. Sorry. Okay? So children, I hope you people have understood. You people have again remembered about the concept of division. Right? Now you can do the first two exercises, exercise 5A and 5B. Okay, 5A you have to just write the quotient by repeated subtraction. And 5B, divide on a number line. No need to do it on a number line. Just you do the division in whatever way I have showed you. Okay, only do the division. Nothing on number line, nothing. Only do the division. That means 16 divided by 4. You only do the division. Okay? So exercise 5A and 5B, only division. In 5A also, no need to do it by repeated subtraction. Right? You do it plain division. Nothing else. Plain division. Exercise 5A and 5B will be your homework. Plain division. Okay? So we are going to meet in the next class again with the next exercise. Till then, stay home, stay healthy, stay happy and enjoy learning. Thank you.